Hey, Big Bird, you can't stand there all day. Somebody might want to buy a newspaper.
Oh, okay, sure, David. I just want to listen for a while.
Okay.
You know, I've been cleaning the house all afternoon. I need a break. Thought I'd come out here and sit down and read the paper for a bit. Let's see how that baseball game between the Mets and the Pirates went. Oh, good. The Mets won 9-3. Great. That's fantastic. Oh, wow.
Hey, listen, I'm making some lemonade in there. You want some?
Great.
Okay, good.
Oh, no. Gee, I love it. I love it. Wait a minute. Did David just say something to me? I wasn't listening. I guess not. Oh, no. I was supposed to put the dinner in the oven. I forgot.
Oh, boy. I'm beat. I think I'll take a little rest. Oh, good. Somebody left the newspaper. Sports.
Here you go. Hope you enjoy it. Oops, there's the telephone.
What? Did David say something? You know, I wasn't listening. Oh, look! He brought me a glass of lemonade. Isn't that nice of him? This is just what I needed. I was very thirsty. He's so nice to think about what I needed. Before I realized what I needed. It's good. You know what? I feel good enough to go back to work. First, I'm gonna go thank David. Oh, I'll thank him later. He's on phone.
Gee, I'm glad I remembered about the dinner. Where was I? Oh, yeah. The ball game, right. Look at 2 double plays in 1 inning.
How'd you like it?
Terrific.
Oh, great. Good.
I can't believe that. Oh, boy. Wait a minute. Did David just say something? I wasn't listening.
Big Bird, I thought I said you couldn't stand there all day. Somebody might want to get a newspaper. You know, you better learn to listen.